In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google to navigate Shopify for setting up a ticket selling service. This guide is perfect if you're looking to add ticket sales to your Shopify store. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you're going to want to head over to Shopify. If you're not already familiar, Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform. It's like your one-stop shop for setting up and managing an online store. It offers everything you need to run a business with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. So grab your preferred web browser and type in Shopify to get started. Once you've reached the Shopify homepage, ensure that you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one, which is a straightforward process. After accessing Shopify, the next step is to visit the Shopify App Store. This section is loaded with apps designed to extend Shopify's capabilities, depending on what your business requires. We are specifically interested in apps that support ticket sales. Therefore, once you're in the App Store, use the search bar at the top. Simply type in ticket and hit enter. You'll notice that a variety of apps related to ticket sales will appear in the results. This is where you need to take a moment to browse through the options. Some apps may offer more features than others, like mobile compatibility or integrated marketing tools. Compare their features and reviews, and then pick the one that suits your business requirements best. Once you've made your choice, click on the app and you'll be taken to the installation page. Now it's time for the installation process. Simply click Install on your chosen app and follow the prompts to add it to your Shopify store. The installation should only take a few seconds. Once it's complete, you will find the app in your Shopify admin dashboard ready for use. Now you're all set up to start selling tickets through your Shopify store. Whether you're selling event tickets, workshop passes, or admission tickets, the app makes the process seamless. A few key tips to keep in mind. Always ensure that your products, in this case your tickets, have clear and descriptive titles and engaging descriptions. Use high-quality images if those are available, as it helps attract more customers. And don't forget to promote your tickets through Shopify's marketing tools to reach a larger audience. That's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated Shopify using Google to set up a ticket selling service. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Happy selling!